Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects all of us, mastering your nutrition. Whether you're looking to shed some pounds, gain energy, or just feel better overall, understanding nutrition is key. So, let's get into it. Now, let's talk about some of the challenges we face when it comes to nutrition. First off, there's a ton of misinformation out there. I mean, one week carbs are bad, and the next week, they're the best thing ever. It can be super confusing, right? Then, there are dietary restrictions. Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or just trying to cut back on sugar, navigating these diets can be overwhelming. And let's not forget about emotional eating. You know, those times when you're feeling stressed or sad and you reach for that pint of ice cream instead of a healthy snack. Yep, we've all been there. So, how do we tackle these challenges? Let's break down some key principles of healthy eating. First, we have macronutrients, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Understanding these can really help you balance your meals. For example, try to include a source of protein in every meal to keep you full and satisfied. Next up is portion control. It's not just about what you eat, but how much you eat. A handy tip is to use smaller plates. It tricks your brain into thinking you're eating more. Lastly, let's talk about whole foods. Incorporating more fruits, veggies, and whole grains into your diet is a game changer. They're packed with nutrients, which can help you feel better and, you guessed it, manage your weight. Now, here's a powerful insight that can change your entire approach to nutrition: mindful eating. This means really paying attention to what you're eating, savoring each bite, and understanding your body's hunger cues. Try putting your phone down during meals and focus on your food. It sounds simple, but it can make a huge difference. You'll find that you enjoy your meals more and are less likely to overeat. Another great strategy is meal planning. Take some time each week to plan out your meals and snacks. This can help you stay on track and avoid those last-minute unhealthy choices. To wrap things up, mastering your nutrition is essential for your health and weight goals. We talked about the challenges we face, the principles of healthy eating, and even some strategies like mindful eating and meal planning. Remember, it's all about balance and making informed choices that work for you. I'd love to hear about your experiences with nutrition. Drop a comment below and let's chat. And if you're interested in enhancing your nutrition journey even further, check out my video on meal prep techniques. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.